Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shohini's Kitchen. My name is Shohini and I post recipe videos every week. So if you still not have subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. In Shohini's Kitchen, I share new recipes every week and stay tuned for the midweek recipes in regional languages, Hindi or Bengali. So today I'm going to share my recipe for fish chops made in typical Bengali style. They are yummy and crunchy and needs the following ingredients. We need around 5 to 6 fish fillets. You can use any kind of fish fillet. I use the tilapia. Then around half medium-sized onion chopped, finely minced garlic, 1 tablespoon, 1.5 teaspoon ginger chopped, salt as per your taste, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. We also need 1 boiled potato, 4 to 5 finely chopped green chilies, lime juice, breadcrumbs and egg for coating the chops. We need oil for cooking and frying. Now we will marinate the fish and then fry them with salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder. I have taken around 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder to marinate the fish and some lime juice. Around a teaspoon of lime juice will do. So using your fingers or a spoon, coat the fish with all the ingredients. The fish is ready to be fried. Now we will fry the fish in a little bit of oil in a frying pan. Since we are not adding any flour to the fish fillets being very soft will break down. The fish fillets will not be deep fried or they will not be fried for too long. Instead, they will only be fried until they become soft and crumbly, exactly how we would put them inside the chops. So this is how they should look after being fully cooked. So now we will set them aside. We will let them cool down while the other mixture will be made ready. So again put some oil in a pan and then add the cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds crackle, the minced garlic will be added to the oil and then the minced ginger. The chopped onions, the chopped green chilies. Saute them well and add some salt. Fry them for some time and then we will add the spices. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon red chili powder. At this point cook really fast because we don't want the spices to get burnt. Now add little bit of lime juice. And yes, some garam masala powder. I forgot to mention this in the beginning, but you should add it to give a very nice fragrance to the chops. Now combine the fish with the boiled potato and the mixture that we cooked with onions, garlic, ginger, etc. and the spices, and then give them the shape of chops like this, or you can give it any shape you want. Now the chops are ready to be coated and deep fried. Crack 1 egg in a bowl, beat it and set it aside. Then pour some breadcrumbs on a plate. Now dip the eggs first in the breadcrumbs, then the eggs, and then again in the breadcrumbs. So after putting it in the breadcrumbs, egg wash it and then again put it back in the egg crumbs and coat it very well. Now these are the coated chops. Now add some oil to a wok and let it heat very well. Then add the chops to the oil and cook them until they are golden brown in color. So now you can see that the chops have reached the desired color. They are slowly turning golden brown. The chops are ready. Pick them up and place them on a plate lined with paper towel or any tissue paper in order to soak the excess oil. So the chops are ready to be served and tasted. They look and taste yummy. Like, share and comment if you like this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Follow Shohini's Kitchen on both Instagram and Facebook. The links have been provided in the description of the video. Please do share the feedback in the comment section if you have prepared these chops. Let me know how they turned out, and thank you for visiting my channel and keep visiting for more recipes.